This is the most adorable popcorn purse. First of all, look at it up close. Fresh and hot popcorn, delicious. And it's got the same design on the front and the back. It's so cute with the red and white stripes. It's just such an old school popcorn container. And the top is this like buttery popcorn color, and it's like a soft, like silky material. It unties. It's just kind of like a little cinch on the top, but it's super cute and comfortable. And then the space inside is pretty wide. It has a little pocket here where you could put like a wallet or maybe a small phone. And then it comes with another strap. So this is actually a longer strap. I've actually not used it. I usually just use the handles. But it's got this gold color, which is like really pretty. And it's adjustable, so you can adjust it to different spots there. And then on both sides, it has these clips, and it just clips right in here. There you go. And then you can have it so that you can wear it as a crossbody as well. Here's the other side here. And that one clips right like that. And there you go. It hangs real nice. And again, you can adjust it to the right length. I just took it out of the packaging, but once it's hanging for a minute, it'll probably straighten right out. So